Dear students, today we will discuss about the motion under elastic restoring force is simple harmonic motion. Previously we discussed about the example of simple harmonic motion through the simple pendulum. Today we will discuss about the elastic restoring force. So for this we take one spring whose one end is fixed with rigid support here and other end is suspended with anybody or any block. So when we stretch it or compressed in both conditions, because I have given this the main position, original position, इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन वी कॉल, हम इसको मीन पोजीशन भी कहते हैं, इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन भी कहते हैं, ओरिजिनल पोजीशन भी कहते हैं. सो यहाँ पे फोर्स भी जीरो था, हमने ना तो स्ट्रेच किया स्प्रिंग ना तो कंप्रेस किया, तो यहाँ पे डिस्प्लेसमेंट यानी एक्स वो भी जीरो है. हमने ये लिखा है कि जब हम इनको स्ट्रेच करेंगे और कंप्रेस करेंगे इन बोथ कंडीशंस, यहां पे हमने देखा जब स्ट्रेच किया तो फोर्स एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट बोथ आर एंटी पैरेलल. विच टाइप ऑफ द फोर्स? रेस्टोरिंग फोर्स. आई एम नॉट डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द अप्लाइड फोर्स बिकॉज अप्लाइड फोर्स एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट आर पैरेलल, बट हियर फोकसिंग टॉपिक इज रेस्टोरिंग फोर्स. सो रेस्टोरिंग फोर्स and displacement both are anti-parallel in the stretching condition. Similarly, in compressing condition, again force and displacement are anti-parallel, means they makes angle of 180 degree. So now what happens? Force, we have written force is directly proportional to minus x. Displacement, x is displacement. Why we are being the minus? Because of the sign of anti-parallel. Anti-parallel. Force and displacement are anti-parallel. That's why I have given the minus sign. So when we remove the proportionality sign, we give the constant K. This K is spring constant. It depends upon the nature of material. We can say that also softness and hardness of the material. What type of the softness and the hardness of the material? कि भाई जो स्प्रिंग बना हुआ है वो कितना सॉफ्ट है, कितना हार्ड है. सो उसके बाद हमने ये दिया है कि भाई ड्यूरिंग द स्ट्रेचिंग कंडीशन और कंप्रेसिंग कंडीशन डेफिनेटली वी अप्लाई द फोर्स एंड दैट इज अप्लाइड फोर्स. This applied force is equal to MA. Now we combine both equations number 1 and 2. So what happens? MA is equal to minus KX. Minus KX. What happened? So, or we can say, we also write of this one, compare. Because one side of the force is AF, again this is the AF. Compare this one. Means we must equal the values. Value of this force and value of this force. What happens? This M is going to be multiplied with A, with acceleration, goes to in division. K upon M is constant. We are removing the constant and we are giving the proportionality sign. Acceleration directly proportional to minus x. This is the condition of executing a session. When the acceleration is directly proportional to minus x, means we are focusing this condition goes to the simple harmonic motion. So that was the demand of the topic. Inshallah, in next lecture we will discuss about some MCQs and time period of the elastic restoring force.